Welcome to JH. You might have stumbled upon weaverin.com while doom scrolling for furniture you don't actually need. The site claims to offer everything from rugs to bedding, promising to make your home more comfortable with simple and practical pieces. But before you open your wallet, we need to talk about whether this place is actually legit or just a very pretty trap. Stick with me until the end, because the details I've uncovered are more revealing than a cheap set of curtains. The first red flag is the website's age. According to registration data, this site was created in July 2024, making it younger than that leftover milk in the back of your fridge. New websites aren't always scams, but they definitely don't have the track record to earn your trust immediately. To make matters worse, their product photos are about as original as a superhero reboot. We found that many of these images were shamelessly lifted from other websites, which strongly suggests they don't actually own the inventory they're flaunting. Moving on, let's talk about their social media presence, or rather, the total lack of it. We searched for Weaverin on Facebook and Instagram and found absolutely nothing. Apparently, they're taking the ghost in Ghost Kitchen to a whole new level of retail mystery. A genuine business usually tries to connect with its customers, but this site seems to be playing a very dedicated game of hide-and-seek. There is also zero information about the owners or the company background, leaving us with a level of transparency usually reserved for brick walls. Finally, we checked for customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, and the silence was deafening. There is no real user feedback anywhere, which is a polite way of saying no one has actually received anything from them yet. When you combine hidden owners, stolen photos, and a total lack of social proof, those red flags start looking like a parade. For your wallet's sake, it's best to stay cautious and avoid this site entirely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and reality checks.